It's van cleaning day here. We're spending our entire day cleaning out everything. We're taking everything out of the vans and we're putting it back in. And I've even got a nice little chart here to show everybody where everything goes. That's what the inside of Armando's truck looks like when he's not working. And this is the inside of two trucks, Chris and Caven. I call them the Sprinkler Bros. And last but surely not least, Devon. Giving these guys an entire day to get their vans in order, to get everything stocked up and have everything on the truck is really important to us. We do this a couple times a year and it feels great. Today is a beautiful day to be doing this. We're all out here getting this done. And when we get ready for work tomorrow, we're all gonna head out into the field having every single thing we need on the truck and feeling like we know where it's all at. All right, we gotta get back to our cleaning. Peace.